back for another video. We're actually going to get into some pretty fun stuff in this video. We're going to get into how to add employees to Find, how to register their devices so they can punch in and out, and then how they'll train their face and actually punch into a job. So just sit back and relax and watch this video. The next two tasks will actually walk you through hands-on how to do it. So just kind of watch this and get a high-level overview of what you should be doing next. Let's start by adding a new employee to Find. We're going to go to the Employees tab, and in the upper right-hand corner, hit the plus icon. We're just going to provide some basic information, such as the first name, last name, and then employee ID, which needs to be unique. We recommend using if your payroll system has a unique identifier per employee, but if not, we can just put in maybe 001 and increment from there on each employee. I'll leave the clock pin and punch permission hierarchy blank, or just as is for now, and then the default hierarchy will switch to the North region. Then we'll select a job that we already set up for this account here. And I'll leave the payroll hierarchy and supervisors as is for now, and click Add Employee. Now that Billy's been added, let's open it up and see what his profile looks like. Here we can see some of the details that we already set just now. We can edit them as needed. And if I scroll down, here's Billy's time card, which has no data for right now, which is expected, and we'll add some in a second here. Let's now register a device for Billy. Now this is going to be tied just to Billy. I'm going to go to the Devices tab, click the plus icon, and I'm just going to name this Billy's iPhone. And this registration code is found when you first download the Find app, and it's unique to that device. So in this case, 68A11C. And we'll leave these two settings the same there. Click Add Device. Now on the device, we're just going to tap Register by Administrator. The first thing that you're going to see is the Find privacy policy. We're going to scroll through and then tap I agree, continue. The last thing we need to do before we punch is train our face. Now the system is going to look for 5 unique angles of our face, and we recommend having adequate lighting in front of you and to slowly move your head around and pause in different angles. Let's do that right now. Okay, great. Our face is now trained, and I only need to do that once, even if I use another Find device. Now, I already added the job, the park, into the system, and my phone uses GPS to recognize that I'm already there, so it selects it as the job that I will punch to. Now, as an employee, all I need to do is show up and tap Punch In and scan my face. All right, let's wrap up by looking at the employee's time card now that I made that punch. And as you see, if I hit this information icon here, I can see the punch details of where the employee punched, the face that was captured there, and the time, of course, and the job. Now I also can see some face spaces that were used when Billy trained his face here, and I can see that in this tab here. So as a quick recap, in this video we went over how to add employees, how to register a device for your employees, and then how your employees will train their face and punch in. Thanks for watching.